Hi guys, my name is Kritika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you have tried the summer skincare mask I showed in my last video. So in today's video, we are going to do a DIY yogurt face mask. So let's start. So the first step is wash your face with clean water. So for this face mask, we'll need only two ingredients. So first we have taken 1 tablespoon of yogurt, that is dahi, and we'll need honey. You can take any honey. I'm using the Dabur honey. So we're gonna take honey in the same amount we have taken the yogurt. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of honey. So that's it. We'll mix it. Yeah, that's it. So we'll start applying the mask on our face. So I'm taking this brush. You can simply even apply it with the help of your fingertip. Just evenly apply it all over your face. So yogurt contains lactic acids which exfoliates your skin and makes it really soft, whereas honey makes your skin look very glowy, dewy, and also hydrates your skin as well. You can even use the same mask for your hair as well. It will make your hair look more shinier and softer. I am applying it on my neck as well. So that's it. We are gonna leave it for 20 minutes. I washed my face with water. You'll instantly see that your skin has started glowing and you'll feel more hydrated. So do try this hack at home and let me know in the comment box below. That's all for today from my side. I will be back very soon with a next video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe and keep sanitizing. Bye.